morning, guys. Oh my glass. This looks foggy. What's going on? Okay, oh, that's better. See what a little wipe can do? Good morning, everyone. We're going shopping today to buy some Noodle stuff. So I thought I'd take the New Zealanders along because I know you guys are still on lockdown, and so are we. But we got a bit more opportunity to go out and shop as long as we wear our mask. So guys, I'm going to show you along in the Druitt. This is Mountdruitt, guys. So it's nothing fancy to see, but this person's driving. Anyway, Mountdruitt, it is what it is. We live here and we love our Mountdruitt. So don't come for me. Don't come for my Mountdruitt name. Anyway, come along for the ride, guys. Okay, I'm going to turn these around. Hang on, now, Sharon, can you slow down? Slow down. I don't want to get a ticket. This is a 50 zone.
Mom, no one's doing 50 on this road.
Look, the police don't care, but now just say slow down.
Yeah, I'm going 50.
Oh, look at the camera. It looks so nice. It looks like you came through a tunnel. Ouch. My hand's getting sore holding this camera. Okay. See, what if that's an undercover police radar? Okay, this is Mountdruitt, guys. We're here at the roundabout, the police. Wee, come and get Sharon. She can't drive. Get her. Okay, just chase them. Huh?
I said they're too busy pulling him up.
Or too busy trying to get people that's unmasked. Yeah, and then they look in the rearview mirror and go, "Oi, Roger, look, there's an old lady filming us. What do we do?" And then Roger goes, "Let's go and handcuff her. Handcuff her to a bed." No! Ew.
Oh my God.
That was disgusting. Sharon, don't talk stupid. Yeah, anyway. Oh, I'm getting scared. The camera might be pointing and go, "Nah, she's an undercover." And I go, "Yeah, undercover." Yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for coming along with us. Okay.
You should have said, see, it's at the shops and that's it.
No, I'm taking them for a drive because I feel sorry for them. They're all locked up in their homes. So I'm going to take my viewers along. Guys, this is the route to go to where we're going. This is the back way, and sometimes we go the other way. But this is the way the driver chose to come. And the police is in front of us. I hope you're going 50.
I'm going the same as the cop.
Yeah, well, they can give you the ticket. You can't.
No, they're not allowed to break the law either.
Oh, my arms are hurting. Holding this camera. Anyway, we're coming up to the Mountdruitt station, and over there is Mountdruitt shopping centre. Okay, guys. And over here is our little bus depot. And then you see the taxi stand here. They're all waiting for their customers to come and hop in the car so they can take them. And guys, for all you criminals that's been in this place, I've been in this place a couple of times too. This is the Mountdruitt courthouse, guys. For those people that know, yeah, they know that place. And now we're heading to turn left. Yeah, wheel. Get her. Yeah, go, will ya? And on your left there, guys, it's Mountdruitt Centrelink, and that'll be considered wins in New Zealand. I have no idea what's in there and what you do. And then I'm going to record where we're heading. Yeah, that's where we're going to. There's the buildings that's getting built over here, guys. It's brand new 1 and 2 and 3 bedroom apartments. I would love to buy an apartment there because it's right at the shopping centre. Imagine that, just wake up, what are we going to have for breakfast? And then you just go down to the shopping centre and get you food.
Oh.
So we're... Oh, Sharon. Oh, yeah.
Do you have
Good luck, Plaza. No, I don't. Anyway, so, ouch. They better not be stopping us for the vaccination thing. You know how they... Oh, what about that guy up there? What about up there? You can go up there. Yeah, so they're starting to have this card now, so only the vaccination people can enter into a certain building, and that's so rude. Because, what about if we don't want a vaccination?
Where did he even come from?
Over there, straight ahead.
Should I go to that one?
It's up to you. Yeah. Because then we'll be on it. I think he parked right here.
That's our passport.
Yeah, oakley dokley. Yeah, we got here safe and sound. Bit rough driving, but we made it, guys. And a little bit more reverse. And then we're gonna go. I'm gonna get my handbag.
Where's the mask in the back?
The mask in the boot. My mask over here, excuse me. Oh, there's my mask. How rude. Yeah, you bet side a lot. Oh yeah, you nearly parked in front inside the other man's car. So I got my mask on, guys. Ready to go and spend money. My driver was a bit rough, wasn't she? This is why I say my driving is the best. Not that one. So I go inside and I wait for the driver to find her mask. And I'm wondering if I should go down there or we're going to turn left and go in to get the noodle stuff first before we head over to the butcher's. I'll wait for the driver to catch up. So where is she? Oh, her driving was disgusting. But anyway, don't tell her I said. So we started heading to the trolley to realize we don't have $1 to put in to get us a trolley. So anyway, we make our way in and we start looking for the little baskets. So now it's time to shop till we drop. So my camera's upside down like the owner. So where's my daughter? I better correct my camera. Okay, guys, but for the meantime, we're all upside down. The land down under. So my camera's back to normal now, and I'm getting me a few of these prawn chips. They are one of my favorites to eat while I'm watching TV. So I got one for myself, my husband. My mum can't have one because they're not allowed to eat prawns. Yeah. Anyway, I like sweet lollies and stuff, but I don't want to ruin the last bit of quality of my teeth that I have left. And I'm looking at these kisses. And I think, no, contain yourself. Oh, these are my mom's when she was, all right. But now she can't have them. They look nice and chewy. I only want chewy lollies, guys. I only want soft lollies for my tender teeth. Anyway, my driver caught up with me. And I'm looking around. I think I'll get me some wonton wrappers. What do you think? So I'm just showing you guys some of these noodles. This is rice noodle, the thick ones that my kids like. So the driver walks off, whatever, Sharon, and then I decide to get one of those noodles. So I see the wonton wraps and I think, hey, get back there and get you one. Where you going? Yeah. Oh. Okay. And I see the aloe vera drink. And then I grab one of those aloe drinks for my son because he enjoys that. And now I'm thinking I'll go back and get the wrappers that I want for the wontons. But look at this, guys. It's so cool how they can have the garlic available now for the lazy ones like me that don't like to peel them all the time. And look at this. There's yellow noodles. And then there's like green noodles. And then there's like white noodles. There's so much choices now. But anyway, which wrapper should I get? This one or the yellow ones? Wonton pastry. I don't know. I think I'll go for the white one. Yes. Let's go. So these are the meats that Sharon wanted to get for the noodle soup thing that she wants to put together. Yeah. I don't know how many she got. I think about 4 packets. So after this, we continued on looking for more stuff. Went down some aisles some more. And then I was thinking, where is she? So I went looking. Looking around and I couldn't find her. And I thought to myself, you know what? I'm just going to go and do my own thing. So I went down and I started looking at some items to put in my trolley. Well, a little basket trolley. Yeah. So I found a few stuff which I was thinking I might need, and that's how I shop. I always think I need it, but when I take it home, I think, why did I buy it? I don't know. Anyway, guys, just look at and see what I'm going to get. Okay, what did I get? I can't remember right now. But I found some. Oh, yeah, I saw a Scara, and we always need a Scara for my pots. hmm The funny thing is, I put it back, and then I went and got it back out, and I put it in my trolley. And then I found this, and I just want to show you guys because I'm thinking, what can I prick on that? I think cheese or fruits. I don't know, but I just like looking at it. Anyway, so I put it back down, and then I'm looking, and I find a shovel and a spade. So I'm looking at that too, and I'm thinking, should I get it, or what do I need it for? This is when I need Geneva, because she'll tell me, Mom, put it back. You don't need it. Then I see this, and I'm thinking, oh, I want to get me this so I can make me some food at home and enjoy it. My little mini barbecue at home. Yeah, so I looked at it and I thought, nah, I'll put it back. Yeah, I couldn't decide, but I kept looking at it. Then I find my driver over there. So I start looking down here. I like looking through this fridge thing here because you could find something that you can waste your money on, like I do. So then I remember Chilora always asks for gloves. So I bought the small and I bought the medium, and they always seem to tear. So it's best to get the large size. So I saw med on the box and I thought, oh no, it's medium. So the large must be down here. Then I realized, no, they're large. So now I'm going to show you guys some containers. If you got drinks and you're selling food at home, from home, that's the kind of thing that you need for the drinks. And these are the lids for these containers here. See, I work in the shop. Pretend, you know. Anyway, so I go looking for Sharon again. She's missing, and then I see this. I want some of this. See, what I do with this, I use it to put fruits on it. So I'll get me a packet, and then I want some chopsticks. Okay, so this is where I started. This is reminds me of the little spoons that they used to sell with the little cup of vanilla ice cream. But I want chopsticks. I don't really like the round ones because they don't have a grip to pick up my noodles. But then again, chopsticks are round, so it goes to show I'm not a professional, and I like the square ones because they do have a grip, you know. So I'm deciding which one, and I'm massaging it just to see if they're square or round. And then I find the square ones, and I go, "Hey Sharon, what about these?" And Sharon goes, "No, get the round ones." And I go, "Listen, don't tell me what to do." Okay, okay, I'll get the round ones. And then Sharon goes and picks her ones, and look at them. The same price, but you get less. Who's the clever one here? Me. Anyway, I see that lady. She grabbed her some, those foam plates. Here she goes, right there. See how I'm filming her legs? Sorry, lady. Anyway, so we continue on shopping around, looking around, and then I remembered I think I need some. What do I need? Oh, yeah. I need some. Can you hurry up and take the camera to wherever you're going to go? I'm trying to do the voiceover and you're taking a long time. Okay, let's look at the sauce. Okay, saucy here. Oh, guys, who likes to fry sardine? See, what I like to do with the tomato sardine, I like to heat up the oil so high. Chuck in the onions, and then you throw in your tomato sardine, and trust, guys, it's very tasty. So Sharon was looking at these marinations for pork and beef or whatever, chicken even. So here I come. I grab me. Sharon grabbed one in her hand, and I grab four, and I look at it, and then I put it back, and then I grab it again. See, Sharon has one. No, I grab four. Yep. So I'm showing Sharon. She's going, "Mum, you don't need all of them." And I'm going, "Look, don't tell me what to do." And then I just get my trolley, and I'm thinking, so Sharon's still going, "What about a Dobbo or whatever?" And I'm going, "No." And then I just grabbed my trolley. Come on, Faye, carry on walking. Yeah. So I went and got some Lia Lia. That's vermicelli. And then that's a small packet that I usually get for my family. But if I want to save money, I get the big packet, and then I take it home and I half it. Then I can save the other half to make supper sweet another time. Because my husband, he always wants me to make corned beef supper sweet for him. Yeah. So that's what I got, and put it in my trolley. Oh, where's Sharon now? Oh, where did she go? Okay, I don't know. That was so fast. She was right beside me. Nah, oh, there she goes. Oh, this girl. So, so I walk down there, and I'm thinking, what else should I get? Oh, and I meet up with all the snacks. I think my mom would love these, and so would the kids. So I get me 2 packets, and then I notice all taro chips. Let me have a look. Because salmons, they have taro chips as well. And they taste the bomb, diggity dig dig dig. I don't know about these ones. Never had them. And cassava chips, yum. I should take a packet, but next time. These little packets here, if you don't mind your kids having them for play lunch, that's suitable for the kids' lunches. Anyway, different varieties. I don't know what they taste like. Sharon's there trying to get all her stuff in her trolley. Hey, Punny Popo. Punny Popo. Nah, it's Punny Popo, guys. Don't, if you're Balangi and say Popo. Wait, Laura. Okay. So I asked Sharon, are these what my kids like, these hot Cheetos, whatever? And she goes, no, Mum, they're the wrong ones. And I go, okay, no need to yell at me, okay? Okay? Yeah. So I see this packet of chips and it reminds me of Mrs. Doubtfire. Mm-hmm. Did I get a packet? I don't know. I forgot. No, obviously not. I'll put it back. But I should have gotten it so I can have a taste. And, Sharon, I'm going, Sharon, look at these. Yum, yum. They look so cute. Should I get a packet, Sharon? Sharon. And Sharon gets it off me and she puts it back. Yeah. She's trying to police what I buy. How rude. And then I see these chips and I think, oh, macaroni chips. Oh, yummy. So I get two of those guys. Sharon wasn't going to stop me. Otherwise, we're fighting. Yeah, so I grabbed some of those and I'm still looking around because I'm thinking, oh, and then I noticed something and I go, Sharon, come here, look. I found a new packet of my yummy prawns. Look. And then Sharon goes, oh, Mom, you grabbing all those chips. But I don't care, Sharon. Look, I'm taking the packet. Yeah. So on our way now to look for coconut drinks. So as we were looking at of all the doors, the door that we wanted, this man was right there. So I grabbed the last three that was in the box before he packs it away. While he wasn't looking, I grabbed the three and I turned around and I said, Sharon, yeah, I took these drinks. And then Sharon said, that's not enough for all of us. So I went back and I said, man, can you move over, please? Yeah, I got a lot of kids to feed. And he goes, it's all right. You help yourself. And I go, thank you very much. Now, I got two more. And then I said to Sharon, is that enough? She goes, Mom, of course it's enough. Let's go and pay. And I go, yeah, okay. Follow the leader. Follow your boss. Hurry. Follow your boss. Yeah. So we went down to the till. Walked there. I walked down like a model. You guys should have seen me walking like Naomi Campbell. Yeah. Got to the till. There were people there already. And I thought, okay, we will wait our turn. Yes. Because then I started loading my shopping. I was such a professional at it. Guys, I loaded that shopping like a boss. Like a boss. 5'4" boss? Yes. But then I was thinking, where's Sharon? Is she still loading stuff on her trolley? She's still not here with me. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, I'm so excited about that. I know. That's, those random buying stuff. Yeah. I'm so professional at that too, guys. Professional at random shopping. Yeah. So there are my chips, my noodles, pull my t-shirt down a little bit. And then I'm thinking, I'm such a professional. I should get a job here. And then I said to Sharon, move over. I want to put this trolley over there. The ladies are still walking in to come and do their shopping. Everyone's masked up because we obey the law. And Sharon goes, here's my Dr. Peppers. And I'm going, Sharon, I'm putting a thing right there. How dare you move it? You have to buy your own stuff. And the lady at the till's laughing and she hands me the thing. She goes, no, Mum, you tell your daughter what to do. And I'm going, get away, Sharon. And she's going, Mom, move out of the way. And I'm going, Sharon, I see extra stuff in her trolley. And then I tell the lady, look at her. And the lady goes, yeah, what a naughty girl. And then there's the packets of meats that Sharon got. Yeah, because she reckons she's going to do us some noodles. Let's see if that happens. It should be today, but I don't know. Anyway, she's got so much extra stuff, guys. Extra. Read all about it. Yes. So, I'm telling her, Sharon, that's a whole lot of stuff. Extra. I'm telling Dad on you. And I said, get out of my way. I better go and get me something for me. Because look at all her shopping. Guys, keep an eye on her when I'm gone. Who knows what the sneaky stuff she's putting on that belt. Anyway, I find what I went looking for, and then I come back because I want to show Sharon what I got. And I want to show you guys first too. Sharon, move out of my way. Move, move. My viewers want to see. See? That's what I went to get. Yeah, Sharon goes, what is it? And I go, this, my favorite. Yeah. So it's got mango inside it, and it's so delicious. And I'm going, Sharon, look at all these extra stuff, Sharon. Oh my God, my child. Oh, you know what, Sharon? And Sharon goes, Mum, you better don't tell me what to do, Mum. And I go, Sharon, I will knock you out. And she goes, oh, and I go, yeah. No, that's it. Thank you. Beautiful day. So we're leaving now. Did some spending. Well, I did some spending. Sharon just done some dumping into the trolley and everything, you know. This girl over here. This is part of the... Oh, dirty window. Dirty window. Oh, well, we did our shopping, guys. Now we're going to look for food that's already made. That's already cooked, so we can... not we, only Sharon, because she's hungry right now. I want to go home and have some Fruit Loops. Yeah, I've been eating Fruit Loops all the time. It's so nice, crunchy, sweet. Will we get that like? Don't speed up.
No, I am.
Don't speed.
I'm going 50.
Oh, Spotto. Oh, I haven't seen a Spotto in ages. I think all the Spottos have moved out of Mountdruitt. So, wherever you're going to get your food, that's where you go. Because don't worry about me. Or should we get us some pho food, like I said?
Where? Steve's? Will you stop at Steve's?
I don't know. Watch out.
Oh my gosh, can you? I swear, you're like just around.
No, if you want to eat, you go and stop where you want to go. Because
Yeah, but I'll eat anything. Really?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I've heard that before. Oh, no.
No,
Once
I'll
I make
eat
up my
anything.
mind, you start, oh, I don't want that.
Oh
no,
my gosh,
don't
I
feel
will
like
eat
that.
anything.
What a bit bello guy.
But you gotta remember what we're having for dinner. So
Oh, yeah. We just get us a little snack.
you can add music. You just don't know what to add it. See, I put music adding it all the time.
Yeah, not yet. That started with me too. No monetizing.
Nah, there should be a rule against that.
Yeah.
Because that's not fair. Because someone can easily sit for like a year or two and like use it, and then out of nowhere monetize everything.
Yeah.
There needs to be a rule. Well, okay. Well, I'm probably. Your car needs to mind its business.
What were there 2 drinks for the boxes?
Sprite. Yeah. I love how she smiles because she's looking at mine.
What is she?
I love that feeling. Oh, it is. Oh, wait, $4.95 sub lunchbox.
Oh. $4.95 for...
That's yum. That's potato gravy, 2 onion rings, and a small fry. Listen.
What?
Listen.
Oh, the roll is it's a mini roll though, but
yeah,
still.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah,
That's yum.
yeah.
It's like, oh my gosh, if I was a kid and I got that, listen.
Oh yeah, for under $5.
I'll fight
That's
someone.
awesome. Okay guys, we're going home now. So we have to say, see you later, and I'll see you at home. I might have a little mukbang with you guys. What do you think? Not a mukbang, but like a catch-up feed. Show you guys what me and Sharon wasted our money on. Ah!